Hi guys, welcome to the challenge and practice activity for motion graphics. To follow along and to complete your animation, you need to open the file motiongraphics-challenge-start.aap. Within this project file, you'll find out that there is a composition called design. I already created the design for you. Just because I found it boring for you to watch me just writing text and adding rectangles and doing a lot of duplications. You notice it's very easy for you to create this design. There's really nothing special. There is a rectangle here, anchor point is in the middle, there is another rectangle here, another rectangle here, some bars which are rectangles, here you are, and you have some text that I put in certain places. So not only you can recreate this design, that will be a good practice, but also you can take this design and make it better. First, you can focus on the fonts. I used here Calibri everywhere because I wanted to make it easy for you. When you open the project file, there is no mysterious font I used over here and you have to go and look for it and you're having problems. But yet, it's very interesting that you change the fonts. Try to use thin fonts and a bit expanded. Like notice here with the Calibri, I had to make it 110. So rearranging this design or redesigning it all together, it's an interesting job that you can start doing and it's a bit important. Notice to create this design, I used the workspace Text2. Text2 is a workspace that we used before. It's very simple. It's like the default, but it has the character and the paragraph and the align panel just over here, just ready for you to start working. Now, since the design is ready, please do not use this composition to make changes. Duplicate it. Okay, so you have design 2, for example, and start making the design. Leave this composition as a reference later on. So it's up to you now to create a beautiful design, or you can use this design to start animating with me in the next lecture. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.